what time is it, hon?
11:58.
All right. So we'll come out here in the darkness. Darkness. Out here by the Kubo and wait for the last couple minutes of 2021.
I just think about it.
Huh? I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep this light going here so we can have something to. All right, 2021 is almost over. We decided to keep it at home today. It's safer that way. And plus, we got the kids, so we're not gonna go out running around with the crazies. You know what I mean? So in the Philippines, I guess, well, not I guess, but they like to rev up their motorcycles and throw fireworks all over the place and just make a lot of noise, basically. So we'll observe. So by the way, Happy New Year's, everyone. It's just about over. 2021 wasn't too bad. Wasn't the greatest, but could have been a lot worse, I guess. I think we're just about there. We're in kind of a quiet neighborhood. Maybe not, it won't be that way here in a few seconds, but generally speaking, this is a real quiet little hideaway neighborhood. But we'll see how much noise these people make over here. I got the gate all locked up. We can't even get out of here right now. Happy New Year! Is that it? Are we there?
Yes.
Woo!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys! Yay! So I don't see the fireworks. We're too covered up back here.
Yeah.
That's all right. I hear horns honking. I hear fireworks popping, and I hear, oh, there's some fireworks going on up there, and I hear motorcycles revving. That's what I hear. I guess everybody's watches are different, huh? Some people hit midnight at different times than others. You hear the motorcyclers up there cruising around. Huh? What is it? Can we see fireworks? Oh yeah. I can kind of see them out in the distance. Okay, not much to see from this vantage point. It's like we're inside our little compound area. So I got the house right here, got the Kubo and a big tree up in here, and of course surrounded by other houses. So yeah, not a whole lot to see back in here. You can definitely hear what, oh, there we go. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Wife and I were a little worried that we might get some fireworks landing on top of our Kubo up here. That was the last thing we need is that thing to go up in flames.
Happy
Matter of fact, we got a wire hanging over that thing.
Yeah.
How long has that been there?
Cable.
Or a cable? Well, how long has that been there?
It's been a long. Hey, Daddy.
Right here. Has that cable been laying like that for a long time? I don't remember seeing that. Oh, look at the baby girl. Oh, she's shaking. Oh my God. Her head is just vibrating. Oh, poor girl. You okay, sweetie? You okay, sweetie? Oh, poor baby girl. Yeah, oh, you'll be all right. We'll take care of you. We'll take care of you. Oh, poor baby girl. So what do you think, Alwina? Happy New Year? Happy New Year. Cayenne, Happy New Year. Some people just figured it out that it's 2022, huh? Oh yeah, that's right. Happy New Year.
Made another year again, Jam.
We made it. Holy shit, we made it.
Yes, we made it. I made it, Daddy.
Yay! Keep this light turned on. Well,
You should know.
no, I don't do that. My luck, I'd blow my motor. Huh? Oh yeah, poor baby. This dog of ours, she's been trembling all night tonight, hiding underneath the table, the bench, wherever she can hide. She's been doing it. So right now we just kind of pulled her out, but I don't think she wants to. Ooh, there. I don't think she wants to be here. She's not very happy. She's not very happy at all. Oh well. She'll survive. You doing okay, girl?
She's shaking.
Doing okay?
She's shaking very hard.
You doing okay, baby? Yeah.
She's shaking very hard.
Yeah. Poor baby girl. All right. Well, that's it.
Okay.
Signing off. 2022, here we are. We'll do this again next year, right?
Next year again. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We're here at Darkness. Sitting
All right.
with Jam.
All right, happy 2022, everyone. All right. Happy New Year and see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.